Hi all. Today we are going to see one of the common issue which everyone have faced it. So what is that is how to handle the blanks which is available in the data and how to fix the sorting issue. So we can see what is that. So if you can see the data, I have a data here which is having the blank value. So what is the client requirement is we need to replace this blank with a null value. So in the slicer, if you can see here a blank, it will be very much hard for them to see. So what they will be requesting us is like instead of blank, we can replace the blank with null, or else it can be NA or any other not applicable or any other text which they are asking us to transform it. We need to do that. So once that is fixed, what we need to do is so blank here, it is in the first place, right? So whatever the naming convention which we are making it after transforming, the same it should display in the first position. It should not jumble here and there in between. So we need to see how to fix that. First, we can see how to replace this blank with null. Now we are going to see how we can transform that. So I'm creating a calculated column like new. So here I'm using if condition. If list 1 is equal to blank, then it should return null, or else the list 1 only it should get displayed. So once if you enter, you can use the same, the newly calculated column. No, you can use it in the same slicer. If you can see here, null is displaying the third position, but the client requirement is this null should display in the first position as it was displayed for blank, right? Likewise, we need to display this null in the first position. So how we can resolve this issue is again create a uh, new column, calculated column. So name that calculated column here as list one underscore sort is equal to. So I'm using the if condition here again. If I'm using the original column to sort this, so list one is equal to, if list one is equal to blank, it should be 0 or else 1. So whatever the blank value which is available in the original column, right, that should be 0. So 0 means this null will come here, and rest all it should be 1 1 1. So if we close this, enter it. So what we need to do is we have calculated this sort calculation, right? So we need to go to the calculated column which we have used for this slicer, right? Click on the respective calculated column and click on sort by column here, and click on list one sort, this one which we have used that 0 and 1s right here. So click on that list one underscore sort. So automatically the null will be in the first position, rest all it will be sorted based on the alphabetical order. So this is how we can handle this blank issue, and we can resolve this sorting issue as well. So thanks for watching.